Hello, in this video we are going to see the future continuous tense. As you can read here, we use the future continuous if we want to talk about an action that will be happening, that will be in progress in the future, at a certain time in the future. You can compare it to the present continuous, that is a tense that we use to express something that is happening at the moment when we are speaking. That is why it is present continuous. But if we need to talk about something that will be happening in the future, we cannot use the present, of course, continuous. We need to use this tense, the future continuous, to express actions that will be happening at a certain time in the future. There is something else that you can use this tense for, usually to make a question, to ask somebody about their plans, but especially if you want a favor, if you want something from them, like, will you be going skiing this Christmas? They say no, and then you say, oh, I would like to borrow your skis. Or if they say yes, you will say, oh, can you take me with you? It's with that idea in mind, you sometimes use the future continuous to ask a favor when you ask somebody about their plans. If you want to form sentences in the future continuous, you have to follow this structure. After the subject, we always write will, always write be, infinitive, and always write the verb in the ing form, eating in this case. To abbreviate it, you can reduce the word will. You can contract it. Negative sentences are similar, only you have to add the word not in this position. I would like you to pay attention to the negative contracted form, because the way to pronounce this is won't. You need 3 vowel sounds, u or u. Won't be eating. Don't confuse it with want, W-A-N-T. This is won't. And to make questions, will at the beginning, subject, and then the rest of the sentence. The short answer is yes, I will, or yes, they will. It's always the same. And no, I won't. Remember, won't. No, we won't. That's all there is about the future continuous. Thank you.